Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is based on my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at Vanguard's corporate portal, found at https://investor.vanguard.com/corporate-portal/. This online resource serves as a central hub for institutional investors and plan sponsors seeking to manage their Vanguard investments and access essential information. Navigating the complexities of institutional investing can be challenging, so let's delve into what the portal offers and how it can streamline the process. The Vanguard corporate portal provides a secure and efficient way for businesses to interact with their Vanguard accounts. Whether you're overseeing a company retirement plan, managing a foundation's endowment, or handling other institutional funds, the portal offers tailored tools and resources to meet your specific needs. From performance reporting and transaction processing to fund information and educational materials, it consolidates everything in one convenient location. This platform aims to simplify administrative tasks, providing access to crucial data and functionalities. You can expect features like real-time account monitoring, allowing you to track investment performance and make informed decisions. Furthermore, the portal facilitates secure online transactions, streamlining contributions, withdrawals, and other essential operations. Beyond the practical aspects, the platform also offers valuable insights and resources, including market commentary, investment research, and educational content to help you stay informed and optimize your investment strategies. By centralizing information and resources, the Vanguard corporate portal empowers institutional investors to take control of their investments and navigate the financial landscape more effectively. It's designed to save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on achieving your long-term financial objectives. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to institutional investing, exploring the features and functionalities of this portal can significantly enhance your management experience. So, be sure to check out the link in the description and discover how the Vanguard corporate portal can benefit your organization. Remember to do your own due diligence and research before making any investment decisions.